Did you know that an astounding 92% of people don't get their daily recommended amount of vitamins and minerals? A statistic that is both alarming and sadly indicative of the nutritional habits of the majority of our population. This figure, a staggering 92 out of every 100 people, points to a prevalent issue of nutritional deficit that we, as a society, have been grappling with. This shocking fact opens the door to a concerning about the widespread nutritional gap that exists in our society. It draws attention to the lack of priority we give to our nutrition and dietary habits. It's a health dilemma that we tend to overlook amidst our busy schedules and demanding lifestyles. However, it's a problem that cannot be ignored any longer. Lack of proper vitamins and minerals can lead to numerous health concerns over time. These are not just minor issues that can be brushed aside. We're talking about health problems, which may include chronic diseases, compromised immunity, and undesired physical changes. Vitamins and minerals, after all, are the building blocks of our body's functions, setting the stage for our overall health and wellness. They play a pivotal role in everything from bone health to immune response, heart health to brain functioning. Their deficiency in our body can mean a significant decline in the quality of our life. So, it's time for us to reevaluate our dietary choices and refocus on our nutritional intake. So, can we change this concerning statistic? The solution is simpler than you might anticipate. The answer lies in building nutrient-rich meals, consciously incorporating a wide array of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into our daily diet. It's about making small, sustainable changes that can bring about a substantial improvement in our health. To understand balanced nutrition, we must delve into the 5 food groups. Envision them as the 5 pillars of a healthy diet, each integral to our overall well-being, collectively contributing to a rich, well-rounded diet. First in line are fruits. Characterize their delightful sweetness or pleasant tartness. Fruits serve as a spectacular source of crucial vitamins and dietary fiber. They are akin to nature's dessert, delivering ample vitamin C to boost our immune system and potassium to maintain optimum blood pressure levels. Next, we journey into the verdant world of vegetables, brimming with an assortment of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Vegetables are indeed our body's superheroes. They supply us with vitamin A to enhance our vision and folate to aid in cellular repair, making them an indispensable component of every meal. Subsequently, we explore the realm of grains. This category encompasses bread, rice, pasta, and cereals. Grains are the primary powerhouses of energy for our bodies, especially whole grains with their richness in dietary fiber and multiple B vitamins facilitate our metabolic processes' smooth functioning. The fourth category comprises foods, which includes a broad spectrum comprising meat, poultry, seafood, eggs, and plant-based proteins such as beans and peas. Protein acts like the fundamental building material of our body, necessary for growth and repair. It also supplements our diet with iron for robust blood and zinc for a fortified immune system. Lastly, we turn attention to dairy. The likes of milk, cheese, and yogurt are abundant in calcium and are typically fortified with vitamin D, the dynamic duo that ensures our bones stay robust and healthy. For individuals who can't consume dairy, alternatives such as almond milk or soy milk, usually fortified with similar nutrients, are viable options. Each food group carries an exclusive array of nutrients, and it's impossible for a single group to provide all the necessary nutrients we need. This is precisely why incorporating a medley of foods from all 5 groups into our meals is crucial. Just like a vibrant painting necessitates a variety of hues to achieve completion, a balanced diet requires diversity. So, when you're planning your next meal, ensure you have all 5 food groups represented. Let the fruits introduce a burst of color, vegetables add a satisfying crunch, grains deliver fulfilling wholesomeness, protein provide a robust flavor profile, and dairy blend everything together smoothly. Remember, variety is key. Consuming a mix of these food groups ensures our bodies get a comprehensive spectrum of nutrients. Now that we know what food groups to include, let's visualize a balanced plate. Picture a plate in front of you. The ideal feast isn't just about piling up your plate with 1 or 2 food groups, it's constructed with equilibrium and variety. First, let's discuss fruits and vegetables. These should encompass roughly half of your plate. Yes, you read that correctly, half. Fruits and vegetables are brimming with vital vitamins, minerals, and fiber that our bodies require for its finest operation. They bring an explosion of color and taste to your meal, making it visually appealing and palatable. Moving on, let's focus on grains. Grains should represent about a quarter of your plate. Whole grains are the superior choice, being high in fiber, aiding you to feel satiated for an extended period, while simultaneously supplying your body with the energy it needs to function effectively. Envision foods like brown rice, quinoa, or whole grain bread. Next up is protein. Protein should also fill up a quarter of your plate. This can be derived from plant-based sources like lentils, beans, or tofu, or from animal sources like chicken, fish, or lean meat. Proteins play a crucial role in our body by building repairing tissues. We must not exclude dairy or dairy substitutes. These could be a glass of milk, a slice of cheese, or a spoon of yogurt. Dairy products are an exceptional source of calcium and other essential nutrients, providing support for bone health. For vegans or those who are lactose intolerant, there are ample substitutes like almond milk, soy cheese, or coconut yogurt. It's important to note that it's not merely about cramming your plate, but about opting for nutrient-dense foods from each food group. By doing this, you're ensuring a broad spectrum of nutrients your body needs to maintain its optimum health. There you have it. Half your plate vibrant with colorful fruits and vegetables, one quarter brimming with whole grains, and the other quarter filled with proteins, supplemented with a serving of dairy or dairy substitute. That's your blueprint for a nutrient-rich meal. But how do we make sure it's also delicious? Creating nutrient-rich meals doesn't mean sacrificing taste. Here are some well-rounded, effective strategies to give your meals nutritious and flavorful overhaul. First off, let's debunk a common misconception. Many folks fall into the trap of equating nutritious food with a lack of flavor. But this is as false as a $3 bill. It's time we introduced you to the wonders of herbs and spices. These little game changers not only amplify the taste of your dishes, but also come loaded with a plethora of antioxidants. They can transform your meals from bland to bold in a flash. So the next time your apron is on, don't hesitate to experiment with rosemary on your roast chicken or a touch of turmeric in your comforting soup. Jumping to the next topic, grains. The grain universe is vast and diverse, but the rule of thumb is simple: the wholer, the better. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa are nutrient powerhouses. They are abundantly filled with fiber, which keeps your digestive system functioning like a well-oiled machine. Moreover, they can keep you satiated for longer periods, thereby helping control hunger pangs. So consider bidding adieu to that white bread and welcoming a hearty whole grain loaf. The difference you'll see is noteworthy and beneficial. Next on the list is protein. However, we're specifically talking about lean protein. These are proteins that have a low-fat content from foods like poultry, fish, and legumes. They play a pivotal role in the building and repairing tissues in your body. Therefore, it's advisable to weave them into your meals regularly. And remember, it's the small changes that count. A handful of chickpeas in your salad or a couple slices of turkey in your sandwich can make a significant impact on your health. Now, let's add a splash of color with a variety of fruits and vegetables. These vibrant delights offer a multitude of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Not only do they beautify your plate, but they also contribute significantly to your health. Try to incorporate a variety of them in your meals to reap the maximum benefits. For instance, consider adding red bell peppers to your stir-fry, tossing some blueberries into your morning oatmeal, or simply snacking on some crunchy carrot sticks. Also, remember the essence of balance. No single food can provide all the nutrients your body needs. So, aim to include a variety of foods from the 5 food groups in each meal. This way, you'll ensure that you're getting a wide range of nutrients to keep your body functioning optimally. Lastly, but no less important, is hydration. Water is as crucial as a balanced meal. Staying well hydrated assists your body in performing myriad functions effectively. So make it a habit to carry a water bottle and take sips throughout the day. With these tips, you can create meals that are not only nutritious, but also mouth-wateringly delicious. Before we wrap up, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health pointers. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Perhaps you have a preferred recipe or a superfood that's a constant in your diet. Your input can greatly benefit all of us and, most importantly, our entire community. So, show your support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing your valuable insights. Thanks for being with us today. Remember, your health is your wealth. Make every meal count. Before you go, let's recap what we've learned today. Understanding nutrition's role in health is critical. A balanced diet means including all 5 food groups. Grains like bread and rice give us energy. Dairy, including milk and cheese, is rich in calcium for bone health. The protein group, meats, eggs, nuts, is vital for muscle repair. Fruits and vegetables offer essential vitamins and fiber. Fats and oils, in moderation, aid nutrient absorption. Building a balanced plate involves half fruits and vegetables, a quarter proteins, and a quarter whole grains. Dairy can be added as a beverage. We shared tips on choosing whole foods, prioritizing plant-based proteins, and adding a variety of fruits and vegetables. Hydration and listening to your body's cues are key. If you didn't catch everything, this video is for a refresher. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.